Welcome to the Culinary Insider for October 24th. I'm Ryan Parker. Let's get into the food, drink, and dining news of the day. America's Test Kitchen, the beloved and trusted PBS cooking show, has released a brand new book. The cookbook for young chefs has over 100 recipes to get your kids in the kitchen. For years, the PBS show and corresponding website has been the go-to source for reliable recipes, expert cookware, and congenial personalities in the kitchen. The book features recipes kids love to eat: cheese quesadilla, creamy, dreamy tomato soup, and chocolate mug cake. Another section of the book, called Decoding Kitchen Speak, explains to children various kitchen terminology and has photos of different tools to use. To get a copy of the cookbook for young chefs, click the link in the description. All right, let's talk teenagers. Nation's Restaurant News has revealed that in a new survey, Starbucks is no longer the favorite restaurant for teenagers. In fact, Chick-Fil-A has taken over for the screen-obsessed Hormone monsters.
It's the Hormone monster.
A survey by Piper Joffrey named the Atlanta-based chicken chain the preferred teen spend in quick-service restaurants. Chick-fil-A is one of the fastest-growing restaurant chains in the country, with 14.2% growth last year. With food being one of the top spending categories for teens, it is big to top that category. 5 years ago, Chick-fil-A did not even make the list. In more news, World Central Kitchen, which was founded by chef Jose Andres in 2010 to bring smart solutions to hunger and poverty, just announced it has served over 100,000 meals to Hurricane Michael victims. Chef Andres has been at the heart of relief for the past several years with World Central Kitchen wherever natural disasters strike. WCK has served over 125,000 meals in Indonesia, 300,000 meals following Hurricane Florence, and over 30,000 meals in Northern California following the wildfires. I will place a link in the description if you'd like to help. The food website Eater wants your help finding the best new talent in the restaurant world. Eater's Young Guns names the best new peeps each year in the industry. Eater Young Guns has been hosting since 2012, and past winners have then gone on to win Bravo's Top Chef and several James Beard Award winners. If you know someone who is under 30 or has been in the field less than 5 years as of January 15th, 2019, you can nominate them by filling out a form on Eater. This is for anyone in the hospitality industry, not just chefs. So if you know a badass butcher, an amazing server, a sommelier, manager, or a baker, click the link in the description to nominate them. That is all the food, drink, and dining news I have for you today. Click the subscribe button to make sure that you get every new episode of the Culinary Insider. Remember, food is life, and life is great. Take care of each other.
It's the Hormone monster.